name's Sirena, and this is my channel. My toys.
What are you gonna do with these toys?
We're gonna open it.
And then you're gonna review them?
Yeah.
Okay. There's another toy. There's a surprise toy at the end that we're not gonna show you guys yet. First, Serena's gonna open this Elsa doll. Show them the Elsa doll. Okay, that's a really cool doll. Okay, now you wanna open it, Serena?
Yeah.
Okay, you can start opening it. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that's a really pretty doll.
Yeah, he got before here. It's so pretty. I love her.
Let me see. Wow.
It is fake hair.
She has fake hair.
I can't squish it off.
I'm gonna review this. It's the Enchantanimals Patter Peacock and Flap. Okay, Serena, now you can open it.
Okay, wait.
Do you need some help?
Oh yeah, I got it. I got it.
I got it.
Wait, there's a crack. Oops, I'm okay. Wait, I got this one. I need help.
Oh, what is that? Show us.
I can't fly.
Let's turn it around.
He got purple hair and need to open her. He can't fly out. Got it. Okay.
Let's see. What is she?
I know.
Oh, look at her hair.
Oh, nice. You got hand hair.
They have purple hair, both of them.
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Pretty.
Yeah?
Yeah. Can I play with them? You can't touch him. He can't fly. We're right here. Okay. More.
Now Serena's gonna review this toy right here. It's the Disney Princess playset.
Yeah.
Who does it have?
Have Jasmine, Ariel, and
Princess Tiana.
Princess Tiana, Belle, and Mulan, and Rapunzel.
Wow, then they're full of glitter, huh?
Yeah, what are missing? What is it? Oh yeah, I saw it.
Okay, do you want to open it or do you want to keep it closed?
Keep it, open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Alright.
We got super surprise, guys. So we're gonna show you guys. We got now 2 surprises.
One surprise.
We can open how this. Oopsie. Sorry guys, that's loud. That's not bad. Mommy, this?
Do you need help?
I got it. Here. I got it. Yeah. Hurrah, the girl with the zombie. We got feeling.
Whoa.
That's so that thing. Can I have scissors?
Okay, let me see. To help Serena because it was hard to open the box, right? Okay, show us.
We got off this.
Who is she?
Princess
Tiana.
Tiana.
And then?
And we
What is she wearing?
a yellow shirt, and they have glitter on it.
A yellow dress. Let me see.
And he got black hair, and he got Lika hair.
Okay. Show us the next doll.
How was this a long hair?
Be careful.
I can't. This is too hard to
Can I help?
wait.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back. I'm gonna help out Serena take them out because she's struggling right here. Back.
Yeah. And these are all characters.
Those are really cool.
Oh, sorry, guys. So you can see that package is a surprise.
The what?
A package, you can't see it anymore.
Oh, you can't see that package?
Don't
Okay.
see it, guys.
Oh, that's the price one?
We got no surprise, two surprise. What's your name, Jasmine? What's your name? I named Jasmine, and you? I name
Tiana.
Tiana. Princess Tiana. Oh, hi, Princess Tiana. Okay, next one. Princesses. Oh, hi. What's your name? I name Belle. What's your name? I name Rio. Okay. Oh, wait. There's a princess.
This is the surprise toy. Fancy Nancy. Now Serena's gonna open it. Go ahead and open it, Serena.
Okay. This is a special surprise. And this surprise, and it's really... I got it! I know I so when I open it. I remember. Okay, I need to open it.
Oh, that's so cool.
Can I wear it? Yes. But how? Ooh. That's okay.
Oh. Okay.
Where you go? Okay. I got. Okay.
Okay, there.
There. Okay. Sorry, guys. I get it. This
Oh
is
my
the
god, your hair.
Yeah.
Okay, what's next?
Okay, we got
Oh, what is that? A necklace?
yeah. Wait, how do I open it?
Take it out.
I can't. It's stuck. Really stuck.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna wear it. Wait.
I think you put it over your head.
And we get out. And we open it again. Now we're gonna see. Close your eyes, guys.
Wait, we'll put it on right now. Show us what's next.
A doll right here too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Wait. Okay. Now is wait. I can't. This is a wait.
No?
We can wear.
Oh, let me see. Oh, they're cute.
And that one too, I can wear them.
Okay.
Okay, we got. You can see it, guys. My feet, whole feet. And Wait. Help me, Peacock. Let's get it.
It's in the wrong foot. Try the other shoe.
Let's see.
The other shoe.
Help me, Peacock. Okay. We cannot not show you this. My whole feet.
Let me see.
Dun dun dun. How I look.
You look gorgeous. The shoes, she's not wearing them right now because you're not going to be able to see them. But they're really nice.
Thank you for watching for my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.